Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today we discuss about integration problems. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x plus sin 9x plus sin 11x dx by cos x plus cos 3x plus cos 5x plus cos 7x plus cos 9x plus cos 11x. How can compute this problem? Okay, now we should apply sin c plus sin d here. Here also sin c plus sin d, here also sin c plus sin d in numerator. In denominator, we will use cos c plus cos d, here cos c plus cos d, here cos c plus cos d. Okay, we have formula from transformation formula 2sc s plus s. S minus s, we have 2cs, c plus c is 2cc, c minus c we have minus 2ss. Here S for sin, C for cos. So first formula is sin C plus sin D. We have 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. According to that formula, we will write integral. So sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2. In first bracket, write sum of angles by 2. X plus 3x by 2, how much? X plus 3x is 4x, 4x by 2 is 2x. Cos of difference of angles by 2. X minus 3x minus 2x minus 2x by 2 is minus x. Okay, right here also 2sc. Sin c plus sin d. We have formula 2 sin, same formula, right? 2 sin adding by 2. 6x. Subtraction by 2 minus x. Here also we will write 2sc formula 2 sin adding by 2. 10x. Subtraction by 2 minus x into dx by. So denominator also same angles here there. So 2 cos c plus cos d, we have 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 sum of angles by 2 into here difference of angles by 2. Here also we will write 2 cos 6x into cos of minus x. Here also write 2 cos 10x into cos of minus x. After that we have cos of minus x. Formula is plus cos x. Why? Because minus x lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cosine is positive, all silver teacups. So in fourth quadrant, cos of secant positive, cos of minus x is plus cos x. In the place of cos of minus x, this is plus cos x here. Here I take in numerator 2 cos x common. So rest of value here sin 2x plus here sin 6x, here plus sin 10x dx by. So denominator also I take same value 2 cos x common. What we get here? Cos 2x plus cos 6x plus cos 10x. Now here 2 cos x cancelled. Okay, now again we should applying sin c plus sin d formula. Here we should take sin 2x plus sin 10x according to s plus s, sin c plus sin d. Here also write c plus c formula. So sin c plus sin d, we get 2 sin 2x plus 10x by 2, how much? 6x. Cos difference of angles by 2, 2x minus 10x by 2 minus 4x. 2x minus 10x minus 8x by 2 is minus 4x plus right sin 6x upon here also cos 2x plus cos 10x. Now we should apply cos c plus cos d formula 2 cos adding by 2 6x subtraction by 2 minus 4x plus cos 6x right here only. Now let us observe here cos of minus 4x is plus cos 4x. Here also cos 4x plus cos 4x. In numerator I take sin 6x common. This sin 6x. In denominator cos 6x I take common. What we get here? Integral sin 6x I take common in numerator. 2 cos 4x plus 1 dx. In denominator I take cos 6x common. 2 cos of minus 4x is plus cos 4x. Minus 4x lies in fourth quadrant. Cos of minus 4x is plus cos 4x. 2 cos 4x. Here I take cos 6x common here. Cos 6x, cos 6x. So 2 cos 4x plus 1. Here 2 cos 4x plus 1 get cancelled. Sin by cos we get tan 6x. So tan 6x integration formula is log secant 6x. But derivative of 6x is 6, integration is 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. 1 by 6 times of log 6x plus c. Integration of tan function is log secant. Integration of tan 6x is log secant 6x. Derivative of 6x is 6. Integration is into 1 by 6. Okay, now I am going to explain next problem. Integral e to the power cot x by sin square x into 2 log cosecant x plus sin 2x dx. Okay, here integral e to the power cot x into log of 2 log cosecant x is nothing but log of cosecant square x. So before logarithm value taking in power. Okay, here this formula used, m log n is equal to log n to the power m. So log cosecant square x plus sin 2x, we have one formula 2 tan x by, in terms of tangent, 1 plus tan square x. Okay, right? Now by sin square x. Let us take cot x is equal to t, then dx by sin square x value minus dt. Okay, let us take cot x is equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides, minus cosecant square x dx is equal to dt. Cosecant square x dx we get minus dt. Here dx by sin square x is nothing but cosecant square x dx. In the place of cosecant square x dx write minus dt. Integral e to the power, in the place of cot x write t, into log of cosecant square x, we have one formula 1 plus cot square x. So 1 plus, in the place of cot write t, 1 plus t square. Okay, 2 times of, so cot x is equal to t, then tan x value how much? 1 by t, 1 by cot x. So 2 into 1 by t by 1 plus tan square x is nothing but 1 by t whole square. Dx by sin square x is nothing but cosecant square x into dx, right, minus dt. Okay, now integral e to the power t into log of 1 plus t square plus, after taking LCM we get, this is 2 by t. So denominator LCM is t square. 1 by t whole square is nothing but 1 by t square. Okay, LCM is t square is denominator. After denominator LCM is t square plus 1 by t square, one t cancel here. After simplification we get 2t by t square plus 1. In the place of this value write 2t by t square plus 1 or 1 plus t square into minus dt. So minus is constant, minus 1 constant right outside. So minus of e to the power t into, okay, let us take log 1 plus t square is f of t. This value is f dash t. Why? Because derivative of log 1 plus t square is 1 by 1 plus t square. Derivative of t square is 2t. Okay, we have one formula. Integration of e to the power t into f of t plus f dash t dt is equal to, what is the formula? E to the power t into f of t plus c. So according to this formula, here one function is f of t, other function is f dash t. Okay, what we get answer? Minus e to the power, according to this formula, e to the power t into, in the place of f of t we should write first function So e to the power t into f of t, log of 1 plus t square plus c, minus, in the place of t write cot x. We have assumed the minus e to the power cot x into log of 1 plus cot square x is nothing but cosecant square x. In the place of t write cot x, 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x. So this is answer. Okay, moving to next question. Integral e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into secant inverse of root 1 plus x square whole square plus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, now let us take tan inverse x is equal to t. Let us take tan inverse of x is equal to t. Why? Because this derivative here there, dx by 1 plus x square is dt. Now differentiation on both sides, 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. Therefore integral e to the power, if tan inverse x is equal to t, then x is equal to how much? Tan t. Okay, in the place of tan inverse x write t e to the power t into secant inverse of root 1 plus x square. So root under 1 plus x value here, tan t, tan square t whole square plus cos inverse of 1 minus, in the place of x we should write tan t, 1 minus tan square t by 1 plus tan square t into dx value. So dx by 1 plus x square value, here dx by 1 plus x square equation by dt. Okay, from statement here dx by 1 plus x square equation by dt. So what we get here, integral e to the power t into root under 1 plus tan square t, root under 1 plus tan square t is secant t. Secant inverse of secant t, we get secant inverse of, this formula is secant t. Secant inverse of secant t is t square. Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square t by 1 plus tan square t, we have formula cos 2t formula. Okay, now e to the power t into t square plus cos inverse of cos 2t is nothing but cos get cancelled, 2t dt. Here first function is f of t, second function is f dash t. The derivative of t square we have 2t. Okay, got what is the formula here? Integration of e to the power t into f of t plus f dash t. We have formula e to the power t into f of t plus c. So is equal to e to the power t into, where f of t place in right t square. So e to the power, in the place of t, what is t here? Tan inverse x. Already we have assumed. So e to the power tan inverse x into, in the place of t also write tan inverse x, tan inverse x whole square. So this is answer. So what is answer? E to the power tan inverse x into tan inverse x whole square plus c. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral dx by secant x plus tan x plus cosecant x plus cot x. How can compute this problem? First convert into sine or cosine functions. Secant x we have formula 1 by cos x, tan x is sine by cos, cosecant x is 1 by sine, cot x is cos by sine. What we get? Integral dx by secant x we have 1 by cos x, tan x is sin x by cos x, cosecant x is right 1 by sin x. Cot x, we have formula cos x by sin x. So what is LCM here? Cos x into sin x is LCM. So after taking LCM, what we get here? LCM is cos x into sin x. So after that here write into sin x multiply sin x. Here into sin x multiply sin x into sin x sin square x. Here into cos x multiply and divide cos x. Here into divide multiply divide into cos x right here cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x, we have 1 cos x sin x multiply with dx. Integral cos x sin x dx by what we get here? Sin x plus cos x, sin square x plus cos square expression, write 1 sin x plus cos x plus 1. Okay, we have got it this step. Okay, here we have one formula sin x plus cos x plus 1 into sin x plus cos x minus 1. So what is the formula here? This formula is sin 2x. Now explain. Okay, here we should take sin x plus cos x is A, 1 is B. According to A plus B into A minus B, we have formula A square minus B square. So A square minus B square, A place and right, here this is A. A place and right sin x plus cos x whole square minus B square is right, B square is 1 square. Okay, according to A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Sin square x plus cos square x 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. What we get here? 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So sin 2x, here sin 2x is sin x plus cos x plus 1 into sin x plus cos x minus 1. Now, here we will write cos x into sin x. The sin 2x expression right here. Okay, right, sin 2x, no problem. So divide multiplied by 2 only here. This step continuation 1 by 2 times of 2 cos x sin x is sin 2x dx by cos sin x plus cos x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 times of sin 2x expression right this value. So sin x plus cos x plus 1 into sin x plus cos x minus 1 dx by, so denominator what is there here? Sin x plus cos x plus 1. Here sin x plus cos x plus 1 get cancelled. Okay, now 1 by 2 times of integration sin x is minus cos x plus integration of cos x is plus sin x. Integration of 1 dx is x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, now I am going to explain next statement. Integral a to the power x into 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x plus cot square x plus pi by 4 dx. How can compute this problem? Okay, first here cot function convert into tan function. Okay, we have one formula. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Here cot x plus pi by 4. Here cot x plus pi by 4. I can write tan 90 minus x plus pi by 4. In the place of theta, write x plus pi by 4. Okay, now what we get? Tan of, after minus multiplying, pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4 minus x. Here pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4 minus x. Now now e to the power x into, okay, now 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x plus, here cot square x plus pi by 4 is nothing but tan square pi by 4 minus x. So tan square pi by 4 minus x dx. Okay, we have tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1, on trigonometry formula is there. Tan square theta is equal to, right, secant square theta minus 1. So integral e to the power x into 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x. Here this formula is secant square. In the place of theta, write pi by 4 minus x minus 1 dx. Now 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x minus 1. How much this value? 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x minus 1, find out. Here LCM is 1 plus tan x. After taking LCM, 2 tan x minus 1 minus tan x. Now here 1 tan x cancelled. So what we get here? Tan x minus 1 by 1 plus tan x. Integral e to the power x into 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x minus 1 place in right, tan x minus 1 by tan x plus 1 plus secant square pi by 4 minus x dx. So integral e to the power x into, here 1 place in right, tan pi by 4. Here next step right. So tan x minus, here 1 place in right, tan pi by 4 by, first write 1 plus, first convert into tan a minus b formula here. 1 plus tan x into, here 1 place in right, tan pi by 4 plus secant square pi by 4 minus x. Okay, now here tan x minus tan pi by 4 by 1 plus tan x tan pi by 4. This is tan a minus b formula, tan x minus pi by 4 here. Tan x minus pi by 4. So tan x minus pi by 4, this is secant square pi by 4 minus x. Secant square pi by 4 minus x, secant square x minus pi by 4, both are same. This is f of x, here f dash x, according to formula e power x into f of x plus c. Now integral e power x into, okay, we have formula tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Formula is tan a minus b, x minus pi by 4 plus secant square pi by 4 minus x, x minus pi by 4, both are same, in square dx. This is f of x, this is f dash x. So derivative of f of x is f dash x. Here f of x is tan x minus pi by 4. Derivative of tan x minus pi by 4 is secant square x minus pi by 4. Okay, we have one formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x is e power x into f of x plus c. In the place of f of x, write first function. So what we get? E power x into, this is f of x, tan of x minus pi by 4 plus c. This is answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral sin cube x dx by 1 plus cos square x into root under 1 plus cos square x plus cos to the power 4x. Okay, here 4 options given. So let us observe all options. So in here secant x plus cos x, secant x minus cos x, secant x minus tan x, secant x plus tan x combinations are there. Okay, here first in under root you will take one cos square x common. One cos square x common. Here also you will take one cos x common. What we get here? Integral sin cube expression, right? Sin square x into sin x. Here one cos x common. What we get here? 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x is secant x plus cos x. We have got this combination secant plus cos. Here in under root we should take one cos square x common. Cos square x into here what we get here cos square x. Here plus 1. Here 1 place in right. 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x. Okay, we have got this cos x secant x combination. Now root cos square x value cos x. Integral sin square x we have formula 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx by here cos x, here root cos square x is cos x. Cos x into cos x we get cos square x into this value secant x plus cos x under root here cos square x plus secant square x plus 1. Okay, here now we should applying a square plus b square formula. Okay, we have a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. In the place of a write cos x, b place and write secant x. Cos square x plus secant square x is nothing but cos x plus secant x whole square minus 2 cos x secant x. Cos square x plus secant square x, I can write cos x plus secant x whole square minus 2 times of cos x into ab values 2ab. ab place in right cos x into secant x, it will be 1 minus 2. Here cos square x plus secant square expression we have got cos x plus secant x whole square minus 2. Minus 2 here plus 1 here there. So what we get here? 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx by cos x cos square x into secant x plus cos x into root under cos x plus secant x whole square minus 2 plus 1 how much? Minus 1. Let us take cos x plus secant x is t. Here this derivative here there. Okay, now here sin x multiplied to all integral sin x into 1 sin x minus sin x into cos square x sin x into cos square x dx by here denominator cos square x is there, so do individual division. Cos is by cos square x here divided by cos square x into the denominator what value is there secant x plus cos x into the root under secant x plus cos x whole square minus 1. Here 1 cos square x cancelled. So let us take secant x plus cos x is equal to t. This derivative here there. Integral sin by cos tan x into 1 by cos is secant x minus sin x dx by. So denominator what is there? Secant x plus cos x into root under secant x plus cos x whole square minus 1. Let us take secant x plus cos x is equal to t. Now derivative on both. The derivative of secant x we get secant x into tan x Derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now here secant x plus cos x is t, then numerator will be dt. Secant to tan minus sin. The secant to tan minus sin dx plus dt. Integral dt by, this is t times of root under t square minus 1. Okay, we have formula. So what is the formula here? Integral dt by t times of root under t square minus 1 is secant inverse t. So therefore secant inverse of, in the place of t, we should write what is t here? Secant x plus cos x. So option 1 correct. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming classes.